At 1 o'clock, Eye on the Tropics, we are continuing to track the latest on Hurricane Dorian, which is now a Category 2 storm. Good afternoon, I'm Vanessa Eccles.
Good afternoon to you. I'm George Estevez. Thank you so much for sticking with us. Our job here is to keep you safe and keep you informed. And one of the leaders of our team of doing just that is our certified meteorologist, Brian Shields. Busy all day long. You've been going at it since 4 o'clock this morning alone. You have the information right now talking about Dorian. And the one thing that we want to just bring perspective for people at home who live through Matthew, whether you're on the coast or inland, how does this compare? We were talking about this in the break, to a Hurricane Matthew.
Yeah, we saw how Matthew battered the coast, and we clearly don't want that. So the goal is to get this more east of Matthew, and if it stays on this heading, it would be more east than Matthew, and that's exactly what we want. So again, there is that comparison, and if you didn't live here through that, that really battered the coast. It didn't do really anything inland, but again, this looks to be a little farther offshore. The wind field will be expanding, but it keeps the core of hurricane winds offshore. That is step one, always keeping the strongest winds away, and then we'll gradually deal with the other hazards. Winds at 110, this is the 1 o'clock advisory. Again, all remains on track. There it is. The western side's been fighting dry air, which is good. We want that dry air to sneak in there. It's been weakening the western side of the system, and again, it is on the move. Again, here's Grand Bahama Island. Again, this is now on the move. It's going to get faster and faster on this track. It puts it 80 miles offshore of the Cape, which is good. That keeps all the hurricane force winds offshore. And again, you can see the movement here, northwest, north, a little bit to the west, back to the north. So it's on track to just reassure your mind, because it's my job to worry, not yours. I know this is a very anxious time, so we're watching this. Again, it is doing what it is supposed to be doing, and it's even a little bit better. We had good news to report this morning with those tracks. Everything was kind of nudging more off to the east. Plus, here's that dry air that's sneaking into it. So again, that's really impacting the west side. It's not quite as healthy on the west side, which helps us because it's going to be riding up our coast. But we are dealing with those showers and storms out there right now. You see them kind of moving in on and off showers and storms as we go throughout the day. Winds not too bad right now. They will pick up. But again, tropical storm force winds. This is 8 o'clock tonight. The core of hurricane force winds will be sitting offshore. We'll track more of this. We'll go county by county. We'll have that all ahead. But again, we've had some positive news. We just don't want any problems at the coast. Vanessa?
One quick question. We know that the storm stalled out over the Bahamas, causing all of that damage. And then when it finally was moving, still very slowly, anything out there that's going to make it just really speed up?
It is, exactly. Right now, it's getting, there's a front that's, think of a cold front moving into the eastern half of the U.S. That is going to help move it. So when you see later today, in just about 5 hours, it's going to start to speed up. So it's starting to get a little bit faster and a little bit faster. So again, there's a front that's going to help kick it out of here.
All right. And we want it out of the way. So
yeah.
that's why I was asking.
Exactly.